Sometimes it's nice just to have cheese just covered in cheese. I just love cheese.
We do enjoy cheese.
Hi, we're Sarah and Jess, and today we're going to be making a charcuterie board for our picnic date night.
So, first things first, about us. We live in a van. That's probably the #1 thing to mention.
That is the #1 thing.
So this is our tiny house on wheels. We've been living here in our van full-time for over a year now. The two of us and our golden retriever puppy.
It's so small that doing dishes and everything, sometimes it's nice just to have cheese and fruit
Yes.
and bread.
Bread is a yes.
I'll let you do some cheeses.
Cheese time?
Yeah. Also, we take turns doing things in the van because it's so small, so really only enough room for one person to be prepping things, and the other one just sits and provides company.
So what we're working with here today are some really great registry items that you can find on the Knot. The first thing we're using are these KitchenAid ceramic knives. This really wonderful cheese board. It's got these 2 little bowls on it. We're gonna put jam in one and maybe cashews in the other one. And this cheese dome that makes you feel really fancy.
It does. We're gonna look really good at parties.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And we have so many fun adventures. Right now we are parked out in the middle of nowhere, Arizona. We are Philly natives, so it's so nice to be out. Big skies, blue skies.
How would you like this cut?
Maybe you should cut it into like stars or something. What do you think?
Into stars. There's a wine and cheese bar in Philly that we love going to half a dozen times for special occasions, including our engagement.
I'm not even wearing my ring.
Oh my gosh, Jessica! Normally that's my thing. Most of the time I forget to wear
I'm
my ring.
engaged, so I'm not a planner. I actually get really stressed about planning things because I think life should just be spontaneous, but when you're planning an engagement or proposal, usually it has to be a surprise. So we went to the restaurant, I asked you to marry me, you said that you would, and then I had a whole after party planned as well. It was like, yeah, I'm done planning things for at least 10 years, I think.
I want to say though, it wasn't just stressful for you. It was very stressful for me.
How cute it is.
That's so cute.
We make jam with Sarah's mom, and these little dishes are just perfect for jam. Jam and brie and bread. It's gonna be so good. Yes.
Before we got engaged, you would hear people say like, it doesn't matter what whoever's proposing says because nobody's gonna remember it. And I kept thinking like, that's not true. I have zero recollection of anything that was said. Then that was it. Then you asked me to marry you with a beautiful ring.
I did. Yeah, I did do that.
Yep. And here we are. So we've got the brie, which can go under the dome there.
This is like an art piece.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Maybe we can put like some grapes in there with it. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know either.
I don't know. Oh, that looks good.
Is that cute?
I think that's cute.
Yeah. So this is herb crusted goat cheese, which we are big goat cheese.
Literally goat cheese on
fans.
everything.
All right. So we've got salami, prosciutto, and capicola. I don't know what that is. What does charcuterie mean?
We have a red chili cracker, fig and olive crisps. These are amazing. And Sarah likes, for every occasion, the social snackers.
Oh, yes. I believe the social snackers are the best.
Are you trying to be in our video, bud?
We opened up the meat container.
Oh, he's so small. Just wait till you see him.
He's not small.
Look how cute he is.
Hi, bud.
Hey, Mom.
Hi. Unfortunately, this is not a puppy board, but maybe in the future we'll make you a little puppy charcuterie board.
Maybe for his birthday.
For your birthday.
Oliver, do you need anything on the registry?
There we go. There we go.
Yeah?
There we go.
Yeah? Ooh, look at that.
Look at that. Looking so good. Do you want to jump in here for the bread and...
I would jump in for the bread and crackers.
The bread and crackers?
Yeah.
Cool. We got engaged in September of 2019 and planned our wedding for October 2020.
That's correct.
I'm on it. I got it.
She's not always correct.
So we planned a really small destination wedding. It was done. We planned it all. It was done. It was great. And then COVID happened. We thought a lot about it. We couldn't quite decide what the best thing to do was. Finally, over the summer, we decided to just push the wedding back a year.
I finished it.
The board looks amazing. I cannot believe how good it looks. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Let's eat it.
Okay, should we set up the blanket?
I think we'll hide the tassels from Oliver. Oh my. Having an indoor picnic, Ollie. Oliver. This is an indoor picnic.
We should do this all the time.
We should. We've never had an indoor picnic. We do picnic outside sometimes. I wish it wasn't so windy here so we could, but it is gusting.
Oh my gosh.
You ready?
Sorry, was I supposed to wait?
How is it?
It's very good.
Delicious?
It looks so cute.
It looks like the cutest thing we've ever made.
Oh man. Going for it.
Going for it indeed.
You're my favorite person. Mom, share with me. So glad that we were able to make this charcuterie board with you all today. Whatever you do, make it you.
And if you're looking for registry items and inspiration, make sure you check out the Knot Registry. And go ahead and click those links below to subscribe to the Knot for more videos like this one.
All right.
All right, see ya. Bye everyone.